Hi guys, welcome to the short video about what you have to do when you get this message from Voodoo Shield that it has not safe items detected. So usually you get this message down here. So I think it's in the area where you have placed the Voodoo Shield. Currently it's on and it's here, and every 5 or 10 minutes it comes up with such a message here. And I've been wondering what I can do with that, where we find these settings if we miss this information. When it's shown, this is, you can see that this is the message which would be down here. It's much larger here. I've made a screenshot, but it's actually just beside of the Voodoo Shield. And so when it's popping up, and you can click on this thing on the white area where it says not safe items detected, and it will show you the items which Voodoo Shield thinks is not safe. So if you missed that, of course you can invoke this manually. You can right click on the Voodoo Shield, then go into settings. Yeah, we have this here, drag it down a little bit, and this is in the whitelist cloud. You get exactly same things. You have to wait for a little bit and then you will see everything here. And this is exactly what you get when you click usually on this area when it's presented to you as a warning. So the question is then, of course, what to do here. For me, the Voodoo Shield is still not really self-explaining. It has some really complicated things which are not clear to me and probably also not for other people. And so I just tried to find out what to do here. What we can do here, we have all the programs. You probably have downloaded, installed these things, and you know that they are safe, otherwise you would have removed them. So Rocket League, definitely, that's from Steam and installed, and I'm pretty sure it's safe. So what we can do, I'm not doing any rules, inbound or outbound rules, which I even don't know what it is, but I can click on the not safe and then whitelist the item, and then it's considered to be safe and it's not here anymore. You can see that it's gone. You can find it then down here. On top is everything which is considered to be not safe. If you want to find the item and maybe change it back to not safe or whatever you want to do, you have to go down here. And this is in alphanumeric order, I think, and down here same thing but in the safe area. So for, let's say, Rocket League, the thing which I have moved to the safe area is here. You can see that now it's down here and it's on safe, and probably I could click on that and put it back on not safe. So this is how this works here with this whitelist cloud. Yeah, for me it's a nice thing. Since I've installed this, I haven't had any problems. The question is then, of course, would I have had any problems without the Voodoo Shield? I have really no clue about that, but I still have the impression that it can protect my PC, so I leave it here. But still, my wish would be that the user interface would be much easier, so it could help more people, because I think most people have no clue what they have to do within all these menus, and especially for me, I'm an IT guy since 30 years, not a PC IT guy in particular, but I'm definitely not a noob. But this is way too much for me. This is very technical descriptions, security, IT, technical things. If you have a PhD in IT security, probably no problem with that, but for everybody else it looks too complicated. But anyway, I'll keep going and I'm trying to help you as much as I can, and that's it for now. I hope I've been able to help you with this video also in this case, and if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching and see you next time.